We are learning to write word problems as equations. So today we're going to have a look at some words that can help us to figure out a word problem. Now all of these words that you see here, if you see them in a word problem, you know that you need to add. If you see the word plus, add, sum, total, altogether, increase, more and combine, they all give you a clue that you need to add the numbers together to find the answer. So for example, if I had this problem, I had 5 bananas and 7 oranges. What is my sum of fruit? Then because I can see that I've got the word sum in there, that tells me that this is going to be an addition problem. So to work this out, I'm going to go 5 plus 7. And if I have a problem like this, there are 9 trees and 8 more grow. How many trees are there? Then I know that this is an addition problem because it uses the word more. And that tells me I need to add. So 9 and 8 will be the equation that I write to answer this question. Okay, these words here are words that give us a hint that the problem needs to use subtraction to solve it. So if I have subtract, minus, difference, left, leftover, decrease, take away, fewer, they all give me a clue that it's a subtraction problem. So my problem says I have $9 and I lose $7. How much is left? I know that this is a subtraction problem because it uses the word left. So I need to go 9 take away 7 to solve this problem. And here my problem says Regan has $21 and I have $19. What is the difference in our amounts? The word difference tells me that this is going to be a subtraction problem. So I need to go 21 take away 19 to find out the answer to this problem. So today what you're going to do is you're going to be given the equation and you have to write a word problem that would use that equation to solve it.